Yeah, what?
What flavor of soda did you get?
I'm not drinking soda.
Show me the flavor! Show me the flavor! 5, press 5! And 6, dude, come on.
It's water. It's canned water.
Oh, why? You should've got soda.
No!
The Hall of Cart God. This is where you get sent.
What the hell?
Also,
Can you go back? What happens if you leave?
I don't know. Or you can't. Bro, light button. Light button.
I didn't know the cart had a light on it.
These are special carts.
Oh.
Hey, Grant. You wanna play Unturned after this?
You got rejected.
Why can't we just have fun like we used to, bro?
You know something, bro?
Dude, come on, that was mean. That was mean. Dude. You were such an asshole, then. What you kicking?
You're getting on my nerves.
You speed up.
Oh, I can't.
Oh.
Now I have to cut out you cussing. Otherwise, I'll get my revenue taken away. I make $1 each video.
Really? Really, what they do to YouTubers that don't have like if you have any profanity in your video, that's what they do.
Yeah.
Wow, that sucks. No, you would actually have, dude. Your video would have got deleted already. I know there's like a new YouTube policy. I watched them like if a video has any profanity within like the first 30 seconds, it's like automatically deleted. I think. Defeated warrior. Talk to him. Just show the viewers what he says.
How to defeat the cart god. Dodge his attacks and throw the fuel tanks back in him. Trying to wait until he's close to the edge. Alright, bro. Oh my god.
Oh gosh, dude. The carts, dude. Kinda cool they make all the carts for him. Can you get any health at all?
No, you can't get anything. Go to the edge.
How much health does he have?
Don't throw that at me. That's rude. That's so rude. You're being rude. The animation broke. No! I missed! What? My ball.
Can you even see his health bar?
He has three hits.
Oh, 3, so like 3 tanks. Does the tanks explode?
Yeah, they explode.
Oh.
Yes, please throw that at me, and then let it go there. I'm on 1 HP.
Oh, dude, you're not gonna win. That boss music is pretty good though. You just lose. You can't do anything afterwards.
You get to go back in. You have 10 lives, but it's glitched.
Oh.
So I have infinite lives.
Oh.
Okay, I'm just dying. Please, go
He
to
has
the
so
edge.
many rooms. Does he have to be at the edge?
Yeah, otherwise he No! Get my ass. Oh my god.
Dude, don't say that, dude. Don't say that. You're gonna get age restricted, dude. KYS fans
Oh, he's
just
hunting.
don't say it. No, he's stupid.
No, he's anger. No, he's anger.
Oh, he's all the way over there.
Ooh.
That actually gets kind of hard in phase 2.
What do you mean it's kind of hard?
Like, it's
Like, look
harder.
at this insane dodge skill. I'm tripping.
No, your lives went down. You have 9.
9. Oh my god, guys.
Oh my god, dude. He's shivering. He's shivering.
Oh my god, please!
Come on.
Dude, he just...
You just get smacked with a cart.
Yeah, you're supposed to pick them up and throw them back at him. Oh my
You're
god.
clearly failing. You're clearly failing at that.
Oh,
Does the
god.
cart's not explode when he throws it?
Really? He's spawn killing me! Thug.
Ah, shoot, this freaking camper is camping right outside spawn. Camper.
Oh, that was good. Did you good dodge? Up a dodge? No, please don't
How
fall
would I
off.
get dodge if you got hit?
The doing.
This boss music sucks. After like a while of hearing it, it just kind of
He's
sucks.
gonna walk sideways. Come
This
here,
is
man.
really
Let
lame.
me have a little loud for me.
Does he get more angry when you throw another one at him?
Yeah, he's even more angry. Oh!
I do the dodging. How many, dude, how many? You just not wait, see if you can bring your cart in it. Can you bring your own cart?
Oh, look at that.
Wait, if you die again,
Oh my
bring
god! Oh! Make it
This is a really easy. This is a really easy boss. I can already tell.
Yeah, bro. Look, you see how easy it is?
Oh, dude, you're lagging. I think. Wait, see if you can take that cart in. I want to see. Oh, go back. See if you can take the cart.
I don't think so.
Okay, well, it's worth trying.
Dude, please!
Cart
Just
ride.
go to the edge
Cart
so I
ride
can
and
murder
miss bucket.
you.
Cart ride and miss bucket.
Cart ride and miss bucket.
Dude, you're gonna get age restricted, dude. You said murder.
Yes! Flashy Dance 3! Ha ha! Ha!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Crazy.
Hold.
Are you going home?
Oh my god. Backflip? Oh my god, I'm gonna turn it on.
I don't know, He's finally gonna do it.
Oh.
Oh, that's not good. Oh my god, guys, he's dancing. It's crazy. You gonna explode? He failed on 932 different occasions. Way too long. Who's gonna read that? So are they gonna have like a little ending credit scene in the movies? This is like a movie credit scene. Dude, I wanna watch the Earth just explode.
That's what you want to see.
Yeah. Like, they need to make it so like it's like a giant cart. Just like comes toward the Earth like immediately, like, just ends.
No way,
humanity.
we're right there.
How wide?